Hello everyone, this is Dr. Gitanjali Verma, an MBBS graduate from VCSG Government Medical College and presently Ops Gynae first year resident at GMC Kota as per All India Round 2 results. So in my previous video, I showed all my resources without any bias so that you can have a better clarity. And it's highly recommended that please go and watch that video and link will be available in my description. So let's just talk about the days left in our hands and let's just target which is very important, and the perfect target is May INSET 25. So let's just treat that date which is 18th of May 25 as your biggest GT, and in case you work really hard and it works out for you, then seriously balle balle, because you will be out of NB game. And if not, then you have almost 1 month to improve all your mistakes and perform your best in NEET 25 announced on 15th of June 25. Now, one thing that I want to clear is that nobody can save you from INSET, because if you've gone through this year's NEET exam, it was seriously bada bhai of INSET. And मैं जो बची हूँ सिर्फ इसलिए because I was preparing for INSET also. So please and please and please treat this as your main target. Now let's just talk about three situations possible. Situation number one, that you're done with your all 19 subjects. But keep that in mind that Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, 6 months. And you are in this game since the beginning. So don't be exhausted and don't be distracted. Situation number two is that you are done with 8 to 10 subjects. Mindset which is required is hybrid of situation number one and situation number three. Now, situation number three is that you are thinking to give your 100% from today onwards, and you're ready to begin. Badhiya situation because there are very less time, so very less chances that you'll be distracted or you will be doing more of hard work than smart work. तो एंड में हर किसी को अल्टीमेटली ये 6 महीने का टाइमलाइन ऐसे ही इस्तेमाल करना पड़ता है. आई विल बी टेलिंग यू अबाउट हाउ टू गो फॉर ultimate first read and revision onwards, and last 10 days short note revision. Okay, now let's just understand timeline. So from 1st of Jan up till 31st of March, total 90 days, and you are going to do first read or first revision in this timeline. Then from 1st of April up till 30th of April, second revision, and from 1st of May up till 17th of May, third revision, and on 18th you're going for May INSET. Then from 19th of May up till 14th of June, you are going to do fourth and fifth revision. How? Almost 17 to 18 days for fourth revision, and for last 10 days revision, that will be your fifth revision before NEET. Please take screenshot and write this in front of your sitting area. Let's decode first read or first revision. So 90 days, and in 90 days, 6 days according to 1 GT per 2 weeks, and 84 days for your read, concising your material and highlighting it, adding previous year questions to it, and ENDs for that subject closure. And this is the most crucial time. In 84 days, you have to prepare a solid schedule and combine subjects, like in 2 weeks before 1 GT. Combine any of one Bewafa, any of two cute subjects, any of one Wafadar subjects, any of two med systems out of these 8 systems, that is CVS, Respi, CNS, Rheumat, Hemat, GIT, Kidney, Endo. Then how many days to give each subject? Recommended time is for cute subjects 2 to 3 days, for Wafadar subjects 4 to 5 days, for Bewafa subjects 6 to 7 days, and you have to manage medicine systems in between. What is expected from you is you have to concise your main notes or your rapid revision into BTR. How? See, this question comes up a lot for me. What you have to do is watch BTR, then read BTR, then read your main notes or your rapid revision, then attempt previous year question, then add important previous year question concepts in BTR which is not present in BTR, then quickly go through your main notes or rapid revision and add what's important according to you and not present in BTR. Remember that it's okay if you are unable to finish all 19 subjects, do left subjects in second revision, and for previous year questions, first finish INS at 5 years questions as this exam is earlier, then go for NEET 5 years and left previous year questions for NEET, finish them in second cycle. Now, how to attempt previous year questions? In case you're doing your first read, for example, you're studying PATH and in PATH HIMAT, and you gave 1 day for RBC and WBC. Now, before going to sleep, attempt custom module and select hashtag NEET, hashtag INSET, attempt those questions and add in your notes. And in case you're doing your revision, then for example, you're done with your PATH and you're starting your pharma from today. So before sleep, give approx 1.5 hours and go to that previous year question module year wise and attempt previous year questions in them. This is the best way to revise your previous done subject. If you are unable to make your schedule by yourself, then you can follow BTR cycles and schedule along with ENDs by Zanabura ma'am or Mission INSET NEET PG by Cerebellum or other ENDs for accountability. Outcome of first read is that you have concise material in BTR with previous year questions and you are in that happy state that yes, I am ready with what I need to revise. Simultaneously make bulky subjects choti copy or short notes, for example, PATH, Pharma Microsurgery, Ops Gynae, as it's really tough to make all 19 subjects choti copy in 30 days or in your second or third revision. Please don't do Q bank now, as GTs will take care of that. Mindset required is go for all subjects 70 to 80% finished, and it's way better than finishing one or few subjects 100%. 12 hours per day study if you're post intern, and if you're intern, then at room go for theory, and on duties do previous year questions or telegram quizzes. Link for all the important telegram quizzes is present in my telegram channel and description mein link is given. Now for second revision in 30 days in April, go for 1 GT per 1 week. Make short notes of rest of the subjects, and for revision, as I said earlier, previous subject which you finished, go for finishing previous year questions before sleep year wise. This questions also comes up for me frequently, that how to make short notes. See, you have to concise these subject categories into few pages, like Bewafa subjects into 30 to 40 pages, Wafadar into 20 to 30 pages, Cute into 10 pages, and for medicine 6 to 10 sticky notes per system. Please watch previous video for better visual understanding for short notes and above 19 subjects categorization. Link of that video is present in my description. Like in your short notes, you have to add formula of PSM and pharma, numbers or facts. For example, IPC, which is now BNS, milestones, human identification, age determination in FMT, all the tables, scores, classifications, example, Apgar, Bishop, or GCS, or next steps and maneuvers of Ops Gynae on the basis of previous year questions in GT, which you will attempt. Now for third revision, before INSET, you have 17 days in your hands. You will read all your short notes, because अब अगर नीट में फर्स्ट टाइम 10 दिनों में वो short notes पढ़ोगे, then it will be really hectic. What you have to make sure that at least be ready with these subjects, which are first and second year subjects like anatomy, physio, biochemistry, path, micro, pharma, FMT, ops gynae, and in PSM, epid, biostats, vaccines, and screening part. For fourth revision, work on your weak subjects after May INSET, finish NEET previous year questions and bookmark them for revising. Keep doing telegram quizzes while doing other activities. No need to dedicate separate time for that. Then for fifth and last revision, revise your short notes mainly before NEET PG. This question is also frequently asked, that how to do revision. See, read your short notes and wall, then quickly go to BTR of that subject Go through bookmarked previous year questions, then quickly all neat previous year questions. Remember that you know more than you think and finish all your subjects before deadline. Now to OG tips which always work in worst days. Don't be in that 80 to 90% who are making excuses. Always be in that 10 to 20% who are turning every situation to their advantage. And second one is always plan in retrograde manner and take your preparation till the last day. Now let's just understand how to give GTs. In case you're following Marrow GT, then give live last day GT so that you can review your result on the same day. And in case your GT schedule and Marrow GT schedule is not getting aligned, then you can give old GT. And when you're analyzing your result after submission, then try to analyze with live result marks because your old GT rank will definitely be on higher side. Why you need to give GTs? It's because you need to practice suppressing your limbic system and how to overpower your fear. Exam days are really hectic, and the most important part is to know what's your type. Are you the one who attempts aggressively and good at guessing, or are you the one who attempts precisely because you are poor at guessing? Also, analyze and work on your mistakes like weaker topics, weaker subjects. Avoid silly mistakes like not reading except or not, giving up on lengthy questions or anatomy questions. Don't keep your ex questions while attempting new one. You need to target at least reaching 140 corrects before 1 month of exam. No GTs in last 20 days or 1 month. You need to extract those exact repeating tables or facts and paste them on wall like GCS, Apgar score or Bishop score. Now, two things which I want to highlight here. First one, power of short notes, and second one, power of documenting study hours. So this is complete parasito in just one page, and you can attempt at least 80 to 90% questions from this page only, and you can revise complete parasito in just 15 minutes. This page is available in my Telegram channel. And documenting study hours keeps you in check that you need to hit minimum these study hours and helps you in recognizing your burnout pattern. So good luck. It's a daily hustle. Amaze yourself by showing up on tough days also. One day at a time. Take your preparation till the last day. Don't let a situation overpower you. Be brave enough to show up every single day. Amaze yourself by doing so much of hard work you never did before. एंड एंड में बस ये कहने पर मजबूर होना है कि ये मेरा बेस्ट अटेम्प्ट था एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ. गुड लक. बाय बाय.